Hello everyone and welcome back to LearningHub. Today we're diving deep into a fundamental concept that powers artificial intelligence, knowledge. Forget Skynet for a moment. We're going to break down what knowledge actually means in the context of AI and why it's so crucial. So what exactly is knowledge? We all think we know, right? But pinning it down is trickier than you might think. Forget about the philosophy, the class definition of justified true belief for now. In AI, knowledge is essentially the data and rules that an AI system uses to reason, solve problems, and make choices. Think of it as the AI's database of everything it knows. Now, there are different types of knowledge we need to consider. Declarative knowledge is like basic facts, things you can state directly. The sky is blue, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, simple, right? Procedural knowledge, in other hand, is about how to do things. Think of it like a recipe or a set of instructions. Then we also have heuristic knowledge. That's a tricky one. It's experience based. And finally, meta knowledge, which is that the AI being aware of its own knowledge limitations and strengths. Let's say we're building an AI to diagnose car problems. Declarative knowledge might include the car's make and model and the fact that the engine light is on. Procedural knowledge would be the steps for checking the oil level. Heuristic knowledge could be rules of thumbs, like a flashing engine light is usually worse than a solid one, and a meta knowledge is like the AI knowing its own limitations. Maybe it's better at diagnosing engine problems than electrical issues. So, why is all this knowledge stuff so important in AI? Simple. It's the foundation upon which all intelligent behavior is built. Knowledge allows AI to reason about the world. It helps AI to make better choices, and crucially, it allows AI to learn more efficiently. The more knowledge an AI has, the better it can adapt to new and unexpected situations. Consider medical diagnosis. AI systems uses a vast knowledge base of diseases, symptoms, and treatments to help doctor diagnose patients. In financial trading, AI uses knowledge of market trends and economic indicators to make investment decisions. In natural language processing, AI needs to know the rules of grammar and meanings of words to understand and generate human language. And in robotics, AI uses knowledge of physics and geometry to help robots navigate the world and manipulate objects. Of course, working with knowledge in AI isn't always easy. There are significant challenges. Knowledge acquisition is a big one. How do we actually get all this information into the system? Knowledge representation is another. How do we store and organize it so that AI can actually use it effectively? Knowledge maintenance is about keeping that knowledge up to date. And finally, knowledge reasoning deals with how does the AI actually use that knowledge to solve problems. There are many different techniques for representing knowledge. Logic-based approaches use formal logic, semantic networks use graphs, frames use structured collections of attributes, rule-based systems use if-then rules, and ontologies provide a structured framework for defining concepts and relationships within a specific domain. The future of knowledge in AI is incredibly exciting. We're moving towards more sophisticated techniques for representing knowledge, automated ways to extract knowledge from massive datasets, AI systems that can reason even with incomplete information, and crucially, AI systems that can explain their reasoning to us. And that's a wrap on knowledge in AI. I hope this gave you a solid understanding of what knowledge means in the world of artificial intelligence and why it's so vital. So don't forget to subscribe to Learning Hub for more explanations of complex tech stuffs. Thanks for watching.